Hi! In front of me is iPad 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Apple device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now just touch ID and passcode, select turn passcode on and tap on passcode options. Pick one of those by tapping on the chosen one and then enter your new login method. Over here you need to change your passcode because this one is too easy, but I will go with yours anyway, only for example. Now you need to repeat it and enter your password for this Gmail, but I don't want to, so I'll go with cancel at the top left corner over here and wait a bit. Now I can click home button and when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that password is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!